Hey, let's talk quickly about how to evaluate a multifamily property on the fly. We've got a multi-step process here that we think you can use and apply right away. What you first want to do is you want to evaluate your top line number. How do you get that number? You multiply the number of units times the average rent times 12, gives you an annual revenue number. Remove from that, subtract from that number your average annual expenses, maybe 30 to 50%, somewhere in that range. You're going to remove a vacancy factor of 5% from that top line number, and you're going to also subtract from that, or add back, I should say, any additional income that you're going to receive from laundry, etc. That'll give you a net operating income number. From there, you'll apply number two step. You'll apply a cap rate in your local market for that property, and that'll give you an estimated valuation. From there, you're going to determine what's the debt service coverage ratio, and you'll do that by estimating the amount of debt you'll need to acquire that property, whether it be 50, 60, 70, 80% you're going to need, and will it debt service it at least at a 125 debt service cover, which is $1.25 net operating income for every dollar in debt service. And finally, after you've paid your monthly debt service and your annual debt service, what will be the leftover cash? And you want to look for a cash on cash return, at least in the 6% range. So that's what you're looking for. That's step by step how to run through a deal and come up with a quick valuation. And remember, it's all in the numbers.